Pushkar is one of India's most important centers of pilgrimage. It is supposed to have formed when a lotus petal fell from Brahma's hand onto the earth. Today, this lotus lake attracts thousands of pilgrims from all over the world who come here in search of hope and salvation and much more. I'm in the middle of the actual Pushkar Mela that takes place every year on the 8th day of the Kartik month of the Hindu calendar. The bugle has been sounded and the official fun and frolic has begun. For those who may not know it, Pushkar has traditionally been a cattle and camel fair. So, if you're wondering where these wonderfully decked up creatures are being taken, it is for a unique camel beauty contest, where yours truly has also been chosen as one of the judges. मेरे साथ श्री घनश्याम गंगवाल जी हैं जो आयोजक हैं इस कैमल डेकोरेशन फेयर के। वो हमें बताएंगे क्या वो चीज़ें हैं जो कैमल्स में या ऊँटों में देखी जाती हैं जिसकी बिना पे उनको सेलेक्ट किया जाता है फर्स्ट, सेकंड और थर्ड प्राइज़ के लिए।
देखिए, सबसे पहला तो एक ऊँट की जो बॉडी कैसी है, उसकी बॉडी से कैसा स्वस्थ दिखता है, नहीं दिखता है, जो डेकोरेशन किया है वो क्या बिल्कुल अच्छे से ट्रेडिशनली किया हुआ है, और जो उसके साथ में जो सवार खड़ा हुआ है वो भी क्या उसकी अच्छे से वेल डेकोरेटेड है, उसकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज ठीक से है, और इसके अलावा जो कैमल सजे हुए हैं उनके स्टेप्स भी अभी सामने नज़र आएंगे।
Yes, you heard it right. There is a lot of preparation that goes into the making of a good show camel. Camel owners can range from the very young to the not so young. I must say, my first time as a beauty contest judge was anything but a cakewalk. But I must also confess that this was one of the most fun things I have done in a long, long time. क्या सीक्रेट है आपके जीतने की?
क्योंकि 27 साल में मैंने एक एक चीज़ गांव-गांव ढानी-ढानी से एकत्रित करके लोक कला और संस्कृति को बढ़ाया है, और ये मेरा एक तरह से खाना है। कैमल डेकोरेशन इज़ माय फूड, माय सोल, माय हैप्पीनेस, माय पीस एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी।
For those of you who have pets, this sight will surely make your heart melt. After all that camel gyan, we decided to take a trip to Ashok Tak's very special museum. Ashok ji has been collecting camel decorations for the last 25 years or so. I must say, it takes a different kind of aesthetic sense to be doing such a wonderful job. Some of these items Ashok ji has bought from erstwhile royal families, and they are more than 200 years old. They are made from gold and silver wires and the purest and best quality silk. Ashok Tak has been a regular participant at the camel decoration competitions. In fact, he and his camel have been winning it for 9 years in a row.
पुष्कर जैसा मेला है, पुष्कर में मेले होते हैं, तो उससे क्या फायदा मिलता है डायरेक्टली जो क्राफ्ट्समैन है या जो ये काम करने वाले हैं उनको?
यहाँ पर जो कारीगर जो आते हैं शिल्पग्राम में
जी,
वो अपनी कला को दिखाते हैं और उसके बारे में समझाते हैं, तो एक तरह से उनको अपनी कला को दिखाने का हुनर मिलता है
और एक बड़े ऑडियंस के सामने दिखाने का मौका मिलता है, जो एक इंटरनेशनल ऑडियंस है।
बिल्कुल
जी,
उनकी पहचान बनती है।
The museum had whetted my appetite for a closer look at the camel. So I decided to go and get myself a camel ride.
It is said that the camel can do up to 100 kilometers in a day at the rate of about 50 kilometers an hour. That's quite a speed for this magnificent creature, ship of the desert.
The thought of traveling in the desert suddenly made me very thirsty. I found an oasis where women, many of whom didn't quite fit the image of village belles, were ready to run with pots full of water. It was the Matka race in progress. And the winner, surprise, surprise, was a foreigner. My next stop was another place that aimed to connect Indian village life with the fast-paced West. It was a kabaddi match between the locals and the tourists. The awards were given out by the local MLA and Education Minister of Rajasthan, and she told us about her plans to upgrade the Mela facilities.
पुष्कर की एक खास भूमिका है दुनिया भर के पर्यटन के नक्शे में, तो उसको आगे वहाँ से आगे ले जाने के क्या प्लान है आपके?
यहाँ रोपवे लगाया जा रहा 13 करोड़ का सावित्री माता के मंदिर से, ताकि आने वाले श्रद्धालुओं को 500 सीढ़ियाँ चढ़कर नहीं जाना पड़े।
A lot of us city dwellers may find it hard to believe, but the rough and tumble of village life makes it essential that every villager owns a sturdy stick or lathi. Lathis, like their owners, come in different shapes and sizes.
लकड़ी तो सर जीवन में काम देती है हर आदमी को। जब बच्चा होता है, जब से लगा के आदमी अंत होगा, जब तक काम देगी लकड़ी तो। लकड़ी का तो काम ही अलग है और इसकी कीमत भी अलग अलग है। इसकी 100 से लगा के 1000 रुपये तक की कीमत है। और आपके सारे प्रांत के मेलों में घूमते हैं, गुगा मेड़ी जैसा मेला, नागौर मेला हुआ, चेत्री हुआ, पुष्कर मेला हुआ। आपकी दुआ से 12 महीने मेलों में दुकान घूमती है अपनी।
According to legend, Shiva as Nataraj is the king of dancers and acrobats. And his followers, the Nuts, as they are called in North India, perform unimaginable feats with their flexible bodies. This young performer, like all traditional Nuts, has started very early, much like a gymnast in the Olympics. But the Nuts are not part of the Olympics. Well, at least not for now.
अगर लड़की अंगूठा उठाने गया, बोतल गिर गया, बोतल छटक गया, बोतल फूट गया, ए साहब लड़की के कहीं पेट में धंस भी सकता है। बोतल गिरेगा, साथ में लड़की गिरेगी।
If there is one thing that leaves a lasting impression in Pushkar, it is the brightness of the colors and the exquisiteness of the craft on display. Shop owners from all over Rajasthan come here to sell their stuff, eagerly explaining to buyers like me the specialties of their wares. Most of their products are handcrafted, with hours and hours of patient hand-to-eye coordination.
राम राम भाई जी। आजकल जमानो खराब आ गयो। आजकल बताओ आपने उधार माल मंगवायो, लेबा की टाइम तो 3 दफा फोन कर दियो, लेकिन देबा की टाइम आपने जो है समझ लो फोन से भी राम राम से भी गया भाई जी। आजकल को जमानो खराब आ गयो। देखो लेबा को नाम देबो और देबा को नाम देबो, वही हमारे कमी कोई बात।
No. Don't get the wrong idea. I don't owe this gentleman any money. He is what is popularly known as a Behrupia. Behrupias are found dressed as gods and goddesses and sometimes even a money-lending Marwadi. And they are in the business of entertaining passers-by. These facial contortions belong to the Saharia dancers, who are known for their traditional swang, or performances that retell the tales from the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. But people like Hazari Lal don't believe in sticking to the traditional.
हमारे जो मैं जाति से गाड़ियाँ लोहार हूँ, हमारे जो पिताजी का खानदानी जो किसानों का काम करते थे वो, तो इनके बजाय में छोटा सी ग्रुप के अंदर ये जो लाइट के पॉक्स में जानवर रखे होते थे, तो उनको देख देख कर मैंने बनाना चालू किया। फिर बनाने चालू किया तो मैंने फिर गवर्नमेंट से कुछ सहयोग मिला मेरा, फिर अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जो मेला मिलने के बाद मैं आगे बढ़ा।
If I were to say that every square foot of the Pushkar Mela is packed with tradition and culture, I wouldn't be too far from the truth. Especially when I am surrounded by a group of Kalbelia women who are curious about a camera and decide to give us a sneak peek into their traditional dance. The Kalbelia men are mostly snake charmers who play the hypnotic beam to charm both snakes and people. As evening descends on the Mela, the lights of modernity flicker on bright and radiant. And I head towards a modern invention that gives the best view of the place.
रुपए का टिकट मिल रहा है। 1 घंटे का शानदार खेल है, 1 घंटे का शानदार प्रोग्राम है। पहला घंटी लग गया है। आजेंगे जल्दी आजेंगे दोस्तों आप लोग। सर्कस के खेल का पहला घंटी लग गया। सर्कस का पहला खेल और पहला आइटम चालू करा दिया जाएगा।
I'm hoping to have an aerial view of the whole fair. Amid all this darkness, there's just light. In some places, it looks just too good to be true. Amazing.
जल्दी करेंगे भाई, जल्दी करेंगे आप लोग। याद रखेंगे दोस्तों, पहला घंटी लग गया है सर्कस के खेल का।
Off the giant wheel and the circus beckons. I haven't been to a circus in years, and so I'm a bit curious to see how the circus is surviving without circus animals.
मेरे पास में नेस कॉफी मिलेगा। नेस कॉफी? या नेस कॉफी नहीं चाहिए। तो क्या चाहिए? पाला सोफा मिलेगा। वो नहीं है मेरे पास में, अब चाय मिलेगा। चाय मिलेगा? अरे चाय पे सब मिलेगा।
Interestingly, this one had more jokers than actual circus performers, but no one seemed to be complaining. And then I go on to get what I've been dying to since I came to Pushkar. Yes, a traditional Rajasthani turban. So finally I have a turban of my own and I'm going for a very special evening.
It looks like there's a marriage taking place behind me, but that's not the case. 21 women from different countries have dressed themselves up as Indian brides to vie for the top 3 honors. They have worked really hard to dress themselves up as Indian brides and to show how much they love and admire Indian culture. Let's go on stage and have a look.
A round of applause for Jessica!
Bollywood has done enough and more to popularize the great Indian wedding. So it is no surprise that the foreigners have so much fun at an Indian bridal contest.
विदेशी साथियों का स्वागत करेंगे जो कि इन्होंने भावनाओं को प्रधान रखा। Carla Perez, she's from Spain. The fifth contestant, Carla Perez. और किसी भी हमारे बीच
Carlota, how do you feel over winning this prize, the first Indian bridal costume prize that you won?
For me, it's amazing. I can't imagine this before.
Oh, I love it. I don't think it has anything to do with my profession, but the fact that I'm a woman. And any woman would love to dress like this with all the jewelry and the makeup and the dress. It's really beautiful and it makes us feel womanly.
From the brides, the stage changes to a Bharatnatyam performance by the superbly talented Geeta Chandran. It's been a long and eventful day at Pushkar, where I went for a camel ride and saw the circus after years. It's time for me to call it a day. I'll see you on the other side of the night.